handog pa rin namin sa inyo ang susunod na video na ating mapapanood.
Kaugnay naman ito sa mga awards and recognitions na iginawad sa ating POW Chief nitong taon lamang. Let's all watch this.
Sa loob ng mahigit 23 taon na pamumuno ng ating hepe, POW Chief Persida Acosta, ay hindi na mabilang ang mga parangal at pagkilala na kanyang tinanggap mula sa iba't ibang award-giving bodies locally and internationally. Patunay ito na hindi nalilihim ang bawat magigiting nagawa at buong pusong paglilingkod ng Public Attorney's Office sa kanyang liderato. Ang mabigyan ng libre at walang bayad na serbisyong legal ang mga mahihirap at walang kakayanan nating mga kababayan. Sa 3 taon nga ng programang Persida Acosta's Legal Advice o #PALA ay naibahagi natin sa sambayan ng Pilipino ang ilan sa maraming parangal na ito ng ating tanggapan at ng ating punong manananggol pambayan. Katulad na lamang ng nagdaang taong 2023 kung saan ng 51 pagkilala at parangal ang ating hepe. Mula naman Enero ngayong taon, 2024 hanggang Hulyo 19 ay nasa 42 pagkilala na ang tinanggap ng POW at ng ating butihing hepe, POW Chief Persida Acosta. Narito po ang 42 awards and recognitions. Bayanihan Gawad Parangal Canada, Community Services Canada Incorporated, Bayanihan Gawad Parangal for Public Legal Assistance. Correctional Institution for Women, Certificate of Appreciation. Mu Kappa Phi National Exclusive Law Fraternity and Sorority, Plaque of Appreciation. Global Trends Business Leaders Awards 2024, Remarkable Achievement and Commitment to the Local Legal Industry. Philippine Dental Association, Antipolo City Chapter, Certificate of Appreciation. The Philippine Dental Association, Pansagip Dugong Alay, Plaque of Appreciation. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, PHALGA, Mindanao Geographical Conference, Plaque of Recognition. Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IBP, Manila 3 Chapter, Plaque of Appreciation. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, 44th National Assembly, First Regular Session, Plaque of Appreciation. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, PHALGA, 16th Northern Luzon Geographical Conference, Plaque of Recognition. The Philippine Movie Press Club Incorporated, Plaque of Appreciation. Gawad Filipino Awards 2024, mga natatanging Pilipina sa larangan ng serbisyo publiko. Crystal International Women's Awards 2024, Leadership Excellence in Delivering Proficient Legal Services. Guanzing Clan 5 Feathers Grand Reunion 2024 Lifetime Achievement Award. Correctional Institution for Women Certificate of Appreciation in celebration of the 2024 National Women's Month. Philippine Public Safety College, National Jail Management and Penology Training Institute, Plaque of Appreciation. Holy Angel University, College of Criminal Justice Education and Forensics, Certificate of Appreciation. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, PHALGA, 16th Southern Luzon Geographical Conference, Plaque of Recognition. 5th Philippine Faces of Success 2024 Best Magazine Awardee. Philippine Association for Government Budget Administration, PAGBA Incorporated, Certificate of Recognition. Bureau of Corrections, Leyte Regional Prison, Certificate of Appreciation. Bayview Park Hotel Manila 2023, Top Producers Awardee, Live in Function category, Public Attorney's Office. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, National Capital Region, NCR 24, Plaque of Recognition. Correctional Institution for Women, Certificate of Appreciation. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, PHALGA, honorary membership is conferred to Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, Chief Public Attorney, Public Attorney's Office. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, PHALGA, 19th Annual National Conference, Plaque of Recognition. 2024 Excellent Filipino Awards for National Outstanding Public Servant of the Year. Maharlikang Filipino Awards Year 3, Distinguished Maharlikang Filipino for Legal Expertise. Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Greater Manila Region, 2024 Lawyer of the Year. Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival, Excellence in Public Service and Creative Arts. National Headquarters Mata ng Masa Task Force, PNP Force Multiplier, Certificate of Appointment, Designated Leader, Mata ng Masa Task Force, MMTF. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Central Luzon Region 50 Savior, Plaque of Recognition. Correctional Institution for Women, Certificate of Appreciation. Gawad Pilipino 2024, atin ito in celebration of Independence Day, huwarang malaya sa serbisyo publiko. World Class Excellence Japan Awards 2024 Outstanding Public Defender. Second Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024, the Philippine Men and Women of Integrity and Honor. Lifetime Achievement Award for Female Leadership. Second Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards 2024, the Philippine Men and Women of Integrity and Honor, Dr. Jose Rizal Leadership Award. Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants Incorporated, FALGA, 16th FALGA Mindanao Geographical Conference, Plaque of Recognition. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Office of the National President, Plaque of Appreciation. 2024 Asian Top Choice Awards, Outstanding Achiever Award. Elite Business and Leadership Awards 2024, Leadership Achiever as Public Servant, Platinum Award. Office of the Vice President, Plaque of Appreciation to the Public Attorney's Office. Muli ay bumabati po kami ng congratulations sa Public Attorney's Office at sa longest-serving Chief Public Attorney sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD. Ang lahat ng tagumpay na ito ay inaalay ng tanggapan sa sambayan ng Pilipino, sa bansang Pilipinas at sa ating Panginoon. Happy #Palo 3rd Anniversary mga ka-followers at ka-paumilya!
Ayan, once again, congratulations, Chief!
Congratulations,
Napakaraming
Chief.
awards.
Oo.
At deserve naman talaga ni Chief at ng public attorneys.
Yeah.
Deserve naman talaga.